Hey guys, this is Mashraf Ahmed from Moscow. এখন হচ্ছে বাজে রাত 2টা। প্রচুর পরিমাণ স্নোফল হচ্ছে। যাই হোক, স্নোফল নিয়ে কোনো কথা না। মেন কথা হচ্ছে, now I'm gonna show you everyone that how can you apply for Russian student visa and how can you apply and how can you submit your full file on using like phone, mobile phone or laptop. But the main fact is, how can we apply in Russia without any hassle, and how can you find university and everything. I will give you a video. You can see what you have to do, what you have to do not. Just check it out.
Do you want to study in Russia? How to do it? Visit educationinrussia.com website and apply. First, register on the site using your email. Log into your account. Next, you're automatically taken to the requests page. One click and you will open a new application form. Fill in all the lines of the form, making sure you enter the answers in the fields with an asterisk. Don't forget to save the form. Be sure to check if everything is correct. If there are mistakes, you can edit the application. Go further and fill out the application. Specify the specialty and form of education. Choose educational institutions and prioritize them. Share your achievements, your language skills, victories in competitions and Olympiads. Make sure to mention how fluent you are in Russian. Attach supporting documents and a link to your portfolio. Save the application form and check it again. Next, it's time to attach the documents required for the first stage of the selection process. Click on the document name and download it from your device. Print your consent to personal data processing, sign, and download the document. The final step is to print the application form. Print out the application form, sign and download the scanned copy of documents. And finally, send the application. Now you just need to monitor the status of the application on the site. Good luck! We're waiting for you in Russia.